We are here today to do a limited objective experiment called Edge PED. We're taking a lot of the Booz Allen capabilities that we have with BigHorn, our computer vision, our DevSecOps pipeline, and doing some data fusion along with some of our partners.
We're taking in a live video stream from an aircraft and fusing it with multiple data sources and producing an output video stream that indicate the locations of signal intelligence using computer vision models to identify vehicles.
As adversaries would modify vehicles, you would be able to retrain a model to not only recognize the old vehicle, as well as the new modifications.
We need to keep pace with our adversaries. It's really about how to win the information battle so that we can keep it free and open in Indo-Pacific.
Well, we've been able to reduce that PED lifecycle, which normally takes about 24 hours, down to minutes. It has a lot of application moving forward. We're just scratching the surface right now.